Hesitate to act. 3 simple words that, according to defense attorneys like Scott Jurdam, have for decades provided critical protection for criminal defendants in Colorado.
It's not just the freedom of my client that's at issue. It's all of our freedom.
3 simple words now erased from the state's law books.
This is the most significant move I've seen in my 46 years practicing law.
Some background. As most people know, to win a conviction, prosecutors have to prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt. Until very recently, reasonable doubt was defined in Colorado as a doubt that would cause reasonable people to hesitate to act in matters of importance to themselves.
We all know what it's like to hesitate in a matter of importance. We almost never make an important decision in our lives without hesitation.
But late last week, the Colorado Supreme Court redefined proof beyond a reasonable doubt, leaving out the words hesitate to act and replacing them with proof that leaves you firmly convinced of the defendant's guilt.
To prove something so well that you would rely on the evidence without hesitation is very difficult, and it makes the state's burden very hard. And it's appropriate. You're going to have a lot less protection from the power of the state now as a result of what these 5 people on this committee did.
Yeah. Well,
Boulder Chief Deputy District Attorney Adam Kendall sees it much differently.
there's no sea change as far as we see it.
Saying the new language does not favor either the defense or the prosecution, but simply provides jurors more clarity on the definition of reasonable doubt.
It only makes the instruction easier to understand and allows a jury to more easily determine if someone is guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
The new jury instruction regarding reasonable doubt went into effect this week. While it's new to Colorado, the federal court system has had similar language for many years.
So it's one of those things we kind of need to see a case where it plays out to fully understand it.
It'll be interesting. Reasonable doubt, obviously a pillar of our legal system, and a lot of people get very nervous when you mess with it at all.
All right, we'll wait and see. Thank you, Matt.